But it is basically finished. We got to get a different tarp. But we finished about 10-15 minutes ago, and I literally just this moment set their water down after getting them all moved, getting their feed. I got to use the light on my camera because it's getting dark. There's so much more space. Got them in the yard on some grass. They've got plenty of food, clean, fresh water. They're getting big. We drop them off on July 23rd. They get processed on July 24th, so just a few more weeks and they'll be ready. A couple of them are already having a hard time getting around, but that's just the way they're bred. So I'll move this tractor every day, get them on fresh ground, food, fresh water every day. May not have a long life, but we'll give them the best life they can. Or I should say the best life we can give them. Well, it's been a long day. We're done. Night, littles. Enjoy your new home.